Set in a cul-de-sac, this fully renovated family home is a hidden gem in Harrison Street. Let's go and check it out. With Hampton-style renovations throughout and the option for dual living, this home ticks all of the boxes. Downstairs, we have this large rumpus area plus multiple utility rooms, a second bathroom and separate access. Set on a beautiful allotment with side access, this large family home delivers in spades. If you've been looking for something with a country feel in the middle of town, don't go past this one. If you'd like any further information, reach out to any of us at the team at the agency.